What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be changing the rear brake light bulb from my Skyline R33. The bulb size is 1157. So first thing you want to do is obviously open the trunk, and then if you just pull on this a little and then just play around with it, it just pops out just like that, and then you could actually access the bulb just like that. And once this moves enough, what you can do is you can put your hand where the bulb is. So the bulb is right here. This is the bulb I'm replacing because that's the brake one. That one right there. And what you want to do is go behind it and you just twist it, and it pops out just like that. And then make sure you're wearing gloves, and then you could change the bulb, and when you're done you can just tuck this back in. Just put it under the plastic and it just goes back in. I'm going to change the bulb and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm done changing the bulb. Those are the old ones, and I just put the new one in. And once you get the bulb back in the socket, you want to put it back in that little hole, and then you want to twist it, and then it locks back into place. So it's pretty straightforward. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side. Lock it, and we put it in this thing there, and then just lock it like that. And before I tuck this carpet liner back in, I'm just going to turn the tail lights on, make sure it's actually working. So lights on, into the back, and there you go. That's working. That's working. Now I'm just going to press on the brake and make sure like the brakes actually work too.